Yeah, we have to. Have you taken a hit? All right. Yeah, you're not a true operator, so you've taken one for the team. 3. 1, 2, 3. Forgot to tell you that. And what I like to do is start depressing the plunger before I'm even in there. And then you get this little flow smart. You want to keep that blinking. And you inject that full sample in there. And it gives you a reading back out again of the oxygen, 2.51.
So what I want you to do is first grab the one that was cleaned by alcohol and just pull up at 90 degrees, very, very consistently and gently. Just feel it. Just feel what kind of force that it takes to peel that off, okay? Now do the same thing with the other piece of tape.
I think I was picking it up.
Oh, it's right under that pane, right?
Yeah, it's right in there. Now turn around and look at reflectance.
Keep my head out of the way?
Yes.
Oh, I see it, yeah.
Now you see it?
Yep.
Yeah.
I just couldn't tell.
Put that light on and the door shut, it'll heat up to 50 degrees Celsius. And there's fans and regulators, and the PLC in here keeps it at 50 degrees for 1 week. It's a seven-day test.
You want to fold one? Fold it and open it up, and then let's compare it to the ones that were made before. Tell me what you see. What is the difference between this and this? It is.
This is an intercept unit with hot melt applied to the outside, and I can't tell you how many times you've been into a place and what do they do? You know, they're doing something and it goes like this. That's sealant. It's going to pick up dirt. It's going to pick up, the floors are dirty.
What I'm looking for is the black silicone sealant stuck to the glass and to the spacer. And you can kind of see it here.